How to fix highlights not working on Instagram. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your Instagram app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the home page. Now navigate to your profile page. Once you're in the profile page, at the top right corner you're gonna find 3 bars. Click on it. Now head towards the section of how you use Instagram. Under that you'll find the option of archive. Click on it. Now at the top you'll see the drop down, set it to Stories Archive, then click on these 3 dots, click on Settings. You'll see this option of Save Story to Archive, enable for this option, and just with that your problem will be fixed. If this solution doesn't work for you, what you can do is close this, launch your App Store or Play Store, now search for the app Instagram. After app appears, at the right corner of it, you'll find the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update over here, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. With that, your problem will be fixed. Well, this way you can easily fix highlights not working on Instagram. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.